Kembali jumpa ni Fibro season 4. Te kejumpa tip nam ta kubar LaitKam Hikai. Kidon kemba tylli LaitKam Hikai kepada jong deficit mat kawe kepada jong chowkidar. Dengan pulih kat kum gini ki kubar mayo. Tylli LaitKam Hikai assistant teacher at Mauriang Presbyterian Lower Primary School under Pinusla Block kepada pok Pinusla Block. Qualification as per NCTE norm, a candidate should possess lower primary MTED pilihan pass ya ka LP MTED pilihan don yang certificate take upper age limit yang SC/ST kadai duk saupo pada yang OBC kadai duk life fra salary kadai under deficit system. Interest candidate may send their application to the secretary on or before 14/10/2022 khasau tarik Oktober ajar far di nomor filaman kontak don Tylli pra nhiều lai not lai sao san ar lai but pra lai nhiều lai ar way san sao way nakamta ban submit di application jong pi kan mau ka last date kan dai khasa tarik Oktober namta kini Tylli ki post jong ki assistant teacher kidai jong ki LP magina ta habdon ya ka LP MTED certificate sakane ka way pat one assistant teacher at Nong Thamai Presbyterian kane kadai po Nong Thamai one assistant teacher at Nong Thamai Presbyterian Lower Primary School under Pinusla Block. Takane ru ka po Pinusla Block hi qualification as per NCTE norms. A candidate should possess LP MTED certificate upper age limit 40 SC/ST life first name like OBC salary under deficit system. Interest candidate may send the application to the secretary on or before khasau tarik Oktober ajar far kontak number pra nhiều lai not lai sao san ar lai pra lai nhiều lai ar way san sao way te kidon lai Tylli kinju hi kene ka way de po Mauriang President Lower Primary School kene ka way de habo Nong Thamai sekan mau ki badon ni application kan mau dim dap DLED bat bidon ya ka MTED certificate phila ban apply borok ki de po Pinusla Block te sakaway biang application are invited for the post of Hindi teacher kanebda de jong Hindi teacher deficit with BA BEd in Smith Higher Secondary School Smith interested candidate having the required qualification and age limit as per government rules may submit the standard application form to the principal letters by 12 October kan last date kam kadai kan 3 Oktober secretary Smith Higher Secondary School Smith ya kane nomor number phone pihak blai ban submit po school show secretary jong Smith Higher Secondary School Smith bat sakawai pat kadai chowkidar kane kadai po North Garhill Adogiri Secondary School North Garhill invites application with complete certificate from permanent citizen of Meghalaya for the post of chowkidar apply on or before 12/10 kelas day hadu khat tarik Oktober jafar qualification kadai kas age pass as per government skill p kadai khat nhiều jar sospa hadu 10,000 per month no TADA will be given for interview kan mau mo kadon ka skill p kadai khat nhiều jar sospa hadu 10,000 per month te Tylli post deficit bat kawai ka post chowkidar tangki nei ki jeng tip boleh juban